Dear students, welcome to the complementary angles of trigonometry. This is the last period in trigonometry. So let us consider this triangle ABC. Consider this triangle ABC. Now this is, if the sum of the angles are 90 degree, then those two angles are said to be complementary to each other. In the given angle C is theta, this is 90 degree, so therefore if this is theta, so then this is 90 minus theta, because sum of these two angles are 90 degree. Therefore 90 minus theta and theta are complementary to each other. So therefore now this angle is theta, then this is opposite side, this is 90 minus theta, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse side. Now consider sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse, AB by AC, so 1 consider. Now consider 90 minus theta. If 90 minus theta, then this becomes opposite and this becomes adjacent. So if theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent. If 90 minus theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent. Now consider 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So that is AB by AC. Here AB by AC, AB by AC, these two are equal. Therefore these two are equal. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. So sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos 90 minus theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, but in this triangle they are same. Therefore sin 90 minus theta, sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Similarly cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So now therefore these are sin and angle, sin and cos are complementary to each other. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Therefore sin and cos are complementary to each other. So now similarly cosecant and secant are complementary to each other. We can prove same ways. Secant 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Similarly tan and cot are complementary to each other. Remember, tan and cot are complementary and reciprocal also, but sin and cos are complementary but not reciprocal. Sin and cosecant are reciprocal. Similarly secant and cosecant are complementary to each other, but cos and secant are reciprocal. Okay, but tan and cot both reciprocal and complementary. So now therefore examples, sin 50 we can write sin 90 minus 40, 90 minus 40 50, so that is sin 90 minus theta cos theta, that's equal to cos 40. So here 40 plus 50 90, so therefore sin 50 equal to cos 40. Similarly cos 72, cos 72 18 90, so cos and sin are complementary. Cos 72 equal to sin 18. Cos 72 can be written as cos 90 minus 18 72. So cos 19 minus 18 equal to sin 18. So therefore cos 72 equal to sin 18. So secant 20 can be written as secant 90 minus 70. So that is cosecant 70. Secant 20 equal to cosecant 70. Observe 70, 20, 90. This should be, sum should be 90 degree. And similarly tan and cot are complementary. So tan 38 equal to cot 52. Tan 38 equal to 90 minus 52, so cot 52. So some problems. Sin 18 cos 72, you know that here 18 plus 72 equal to 90. So therefore you can write sin 18 in terms of cos 72. Sin 18 is also cos 72, or cos 72 is also equal to sin 72. So how can you write this? Transfer one of the angle in terms of cos or one in terms of sin. So now I am converting this sin in terms of cos. Sin 90 minus 72. 18 means 19 minus 72. But sin 19 minus 72 is cos 72. Cos 72 by cos 72 equal to cancel 1. So sin 19 by sin 19 equal to 1, or cos 72 by cos 72 equal to 1. If you convert this cos 72, then you will get sin 90 minus 18, cos 19 minus 18. So that is nothing but sin 18, sin 18, sin 18 cancel, you will get the same. Okay. So now minus sin 18 minus cos 72, if minus is there, this can be written as sin 90 minus 72, that is cos 72, cos 72, cos 72, 0. If it is minus, then you will get 0. So tan 45, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. So now, which is complementary? 48, 42, 90, 23, 67, 90. So therefore, these two angles and these two angles are complementary. So therefore, we have to convert one of these in terms of cot. So now I am converting tan 48 and tan 23. So tan 90 minus 42, 90 minus 42, 48. Tan 90 minus 67, 90 minus 67, 23. So tan 42, tan 67. Tan 90 minus 42 is cot 42. Tan 90 minus 67 is, so this is cot. Okay, this is cot 42. This is cot 42. This is cot 42. This is cot 42. This is 1 by tan 42 can be written as 1 by cot 42. This is 1 by cot 42. Okay. So this is cot 42. Or you can write this as 1 by tan 42 is 1 by tan 42 is 1 by, this is cot 42. Tan minus 90 minus theta cot 42. Tan 90 minus 67 cot 67. This cot 67 is written as 1 by tan 42. Cot 67 is 1 by tan 67. So tan 42, this is tan 42. This is cot can be written as in this form. So this cancel and this cancel. You will get 1. So similarly, so don't confuse here. Tan 90 minus 42, cot 42. This cot 42 can be written by 1 by tan 42. Tan 90 minus 67 is cot 67. This cot 67 is written as 1 by tan 67. Okay. So now tan 2a equal to cot a minus 16. Find a. So tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18. So this can be written as cot 90 minus 2a is tan 2a. So now here cot cancel. 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18. So 90 plus 18 equal to 2a plus a 3a. So 3a equal to 108. So a equal to 108 by 3. So a equal to 36 degree. So similarly solve yourself. These are simple problems. So 2 marks confirm. So thank you. We will meet in the next class. That is, this is an end of the trigonometry. If you have any problem, please consult me.